what is that noise? Ah, that's Yana. 13 months old now. Cornered herself up a bad guy. And this girl's getting stronger and stronger and stronger with every session. No backup in this young girl. She is, oh, she took the whip away. What a good girl. I like it. So as we're developing the gripping strength and the intensity and the power, but yet trying to keep safety in mind, we're doing the hold and bark. So as long as he doesn't move, no bitey. So that's really important to have that nice, natural safety valve. We put a tremendous amount of obedience on this girl, so we want to balance the protection and the obedience and safety. So it's always about safety, because this is going to get exponentially stronger as she matures. Once again, only 13 months old. Woo! So want to keep power and control all working at the same time. Nice. Good stuff right there. Once again, nice young dog coming along very, very nicely. That's just a little inside peek of a training session from today.